From the frozen poles to the heart of the searing deserts, our planet is a tapestry of diverse and ever-changing weather patterns. But there are times when nature reveals a more enigmatic side, conjuring up spectacles that seem to defy explanation. Get ready to explore some of nature's strangest and most stunning weather events. In this video, we'll look at 5 bizarre weather phenomena from around the world that are as mind-blowing as they are rare. Imagine looking out your window and witnessing rain, but not the ordinary kind. Instead of a refreshing, life-giving shower, the sky seems to weep crimson, staining the ground a disturbing red. This is blood rain, a phenomenon as unsettling as it is intriguing. Throughout history, blood rain has been met with fear and superstition. Ancient civilizations often interpreted it as a sign of impending doom, a celestial warning of wars, plagues, or other calamities. But what is the science behind this eerie phenomenon? Blood rain gets its unsettling hue from microscopic airborne particles, often dust or sand, that are swept up into the atmosphere by powerful winds. These particles, originating from arid regions, can travel vast distances, carried by air currents across continents and oceans. In the case of blood rain, the culprit is often red-colored dust or sand, rich in iron oxide, which gives it that distinctive rusty hue. When this dust-laden air collides with rain clouds, the dust particles mix with the raindrops, staining them red as they fall to the earth. One of the most famous instances of blood rain occurred in Kerala, India, in 2001. For weeks, the region was plagued by these crimson showers, causing widespread panic and bewilderment. Initially, theories ranged from extraterrestrial activity to the explosion of a meteor. However, scientists eventually traced the source of the red particles to a massive algal bloom in the Arabian Sea. The microscopic algae known as release a reddish pigment into the water when they die. While the Kerala incident was eventually explained, blood rain continues to fascinate and mystify. Of all the bizarre weather phenomena that grace our skies, ball lightning remains perhaps the most elusive and enigmatic. Unlike the fleeting brilliance of a lightning bolt, ball lightning manifests as a glowing sphere of light, often described as white, yellow, or even blue, that floats through the air, seemingly defying gravity. For centuries, reports of ball lightning have been relegated to the realm of folklore and tall tales, dismissed as hallucinations or misinterpretations of more common electrical phenomena. However, a growing body of eyewitness accounts, some from reputable observers like pilots and scientists, suggests that ball lightning is a genuine, albeit incredibly rare, atmospheric phenomenon. Imagine this: a summer thunderstorm rages, illuminating the sky with jagged bolts of lightning. Suddenly, a luminous sphere, perhaps the size of a grapefruit, detaches itself from the storm clouds and descends towards the earth. It drifts silently through the air, glowing with an eerie internal light, before vanishing as quickly as it appeared, sometimes with a faint pop or hiss. Numerous theories have been proposed to explain the formation and behavior of ball lightning, but a definitive answer remains elusive. Some scientists believe that ball lightning is a type of plasma, a superheated state of matter created by the intense energy discharge of a lightning strike. Others speculate that it may be related to the Earth's magnetic field, perhaps a manifestation of electromagnetic energy trapped in a swirling vortex. Despite ongoing research and numerous hypotheses, ball lightning continues to evade our understanding. For now, ball lightning remains a tantalizing enigma, a reminder that even in our age of advanced scientific understanding, there are still mysteries hidden within the natural world. Chapter 3: Fire Whirls, Dancing Devils of Destruction. From the heart of raging infernos emerge fire whirls, also known as fire devils or fire tornadoes, awe-inspiring and terrifying spectacles that demonstrate the raw power of nature's fury. These swirling vortices of flame are as mesmerizing as they are destructive, capable of generating intense heat and winds that can rip apart buildings and fling burning debris over great distances. Imagine a wildfire raging out of control, its flames consuming everything in their path. The air above the inferno shimmers with heat, creating powerful updrafts. As these updrafts gain momentum, they begin to rotate, drawing in flames, smoke, and burning debris. The result is a terrifying column of fire, sometimes reaching hundreds of feet into the air, that dances across the landscape, leaving a trail of devastation in its wake. Fire whirls are most commonly associated with wildfires, where the intense heat and chaotic air currents create the perfect conditions for their formation. However, they can also occur in other scenarios where a significant heat source combines with swirling winds, such as volcanic eruptions or even industrial accidents involving flammable materials. The structure of a fire whirl is similar to that of its more common cousin, the tornado. Both are characterized by a rotating column of air, but instead of drawing in water droplets, a fire whirl sucks up flames and burning embers, fueling its fiery dance. While fire whirls are a relatively rare phenomenon, they serve as a stark reminder of the destructive power of fire when combined with the forces of nature. Chapter 4: Frost Flowers, Ephemeral Beauties of Ice. In the depths of winter, when the air bites with icy breath and the landscape lies dormant beneath a blanket of snow, a magical transformation occurs. Delicate ice crystals, resembling intricate floral arrangements, bloom on surfaces, creating a breathtaking display of nature's artistry known as frost flowers. These ephemeral beauties are not flowers in the traditional sense, but rather formations of ice crystals that grow under specific conditions, typically on thin layers of ice that form on the surface of calm bodies of water or on the stems of plants. As temperatures plummet below freezing, the water molecules in these thin layers of ice begin to align themselves in a crystalline structure. However, the formation of frost flowers requires more than just freezing temperatures. The air must also be humid, providing a source of water vapor. As the water vapor in the air comes into contact with the freezing surface, it undergoes a process called deposition, transitioning directly from a gas to a solid state. This deposition of ice crystals occurs preferentially along imperfections on the surface, such as tiny scratches or ridges, creating nucleation points for crystal growth. As more and more water molecules attach themselves to these initial crystals, intricate patterns begin to emerge, often resembling delicate petals, feathery plumes, or even intricate spirals. The resulting frost flowers are incredibly fragile, their delicate structures easily destroyed by the slightest touch or a gust of wind. While their existence is fleeting, frost flowers serve as a reminder that beauty can be found even in the harshest of environments. Chapter 5: Morning Glory Clouds, Celestial Rollers of the Sky. In the vast expanse of the Australian outback, a rare and awe-inspiring meteorological phenomenon graces the sky, captivating all who are fortunate enough to witness its ethereal beauty, the morning glory cloud. Resembling a massive, elongated cloud roll, often stretching for hundreds of kilometers across the sky, the morning glory is a sight that evokes both wonder and a touch of trepidation. Imagine waking up in the heart of the Australian outback, the sun just beginning to peek over the horizon. As you gaze towards the east, you notice a strange formation on the horizon, a long, cylindrical cloud seemingly rolling towards you across the sky. It moves with an almost unnatural grace, its smooth, undulating surface resembling a massive celestial wave. Morning glory clouds are most commonly observed in the Gulf of Carpentaria region of northern Australia, particularly during the spring months. Their formation is linked to a unique combination of meteorological factors, including the interaction of sea breezes, a strong temperature inversion, and the presence of a layer of moist air at a specific altitude. As the sun sets, the land cools faster than the sea, creating a temperature difference that generates a sea breeze. This sea breeze, laden with moisture, flows inland, pushing up against a layer of warmer air aloft, creating a stable atmospheric layer known as a temperature inversion. As the night progresses, the moist air near the surface cools further, reaching its dew point and condensing into a long roll-shaped cloud. The morning glory cloud is not just a visual spectacle, it is also a playground for thrill-seeking glider pilots. Chapter 6: The End or Just the Beginning. From the eerie red hues of blood rain to the ethereal beauty of frost flowers, we've journeyed through a collection of weather phenomena that seem almost too bizarre to be real. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing content. Until next time, keep looking up and marveling at the wonders of our planet.